Stop typing, seriously. You're losing at least 2 hours a day because your thumbs can't keep up with your brain. Today, I'm going to show you the one tool that turns everything you say, like your notes, emails, AI prompts, into polished text before your thumbs even move. But first, let me ask you something. You wake up in the morning and before you've even had your coffee, you're already typing. A text to your partner, a reminder to yourself, or reply to that email you were supposed to send last night, and then you go to work and some more typing, an email to a client, or a quick note about something you need to pick up on the way home. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, you really had a good idea, a solution to a problem you've been thinking on for weeks. But you were driving, or cooking, or in the middle of something. And by the time you got to a keyboard or a phone, it was gone. Here's the thing, we have accepted typing as just the way things work. It's invisible to us now. We don't even notice what you are doing. But the friction is real and it's costing you more than you think. And if you're a small business owner, this compounds fast. You're writing your own email, your own social post, etc. Nobody else is doing it for you. Every word costs you time you don't have. The average person types around 40 to 45 words per minute. And speaking, most of us comfortably talk at 130 to 150 words per minute. That's more than 3 times faster. So, every single time you sit down to type something out, you're working at a third of the speed your brain is moving. Or a 5 day work week, that gap costs you roughly 3 hours of productive time per week. That's 150 hours a year spent typing instead of thinking. Now, here's what nobody talks about. It's not just the time, it's what you're losing in the gaps. So, to save your time, all you need to do is download Wispr Flow. It sits quietly in the background on your phone and computer. And the moment you want to type something, anywhere, in any app, you hold on one button and just talk. It listens, it cleans your speech, removes the ums and the false starts, figures out what you actually meant, and types it out for you, polished and ready to send. Let me show you exactly how I use it in real life. The first use case that I'm going to show you is the one that changed how I use AI tools entirely, and the results blew my mind. Most people don't get great results from AI chatbots because typing out a detailed specific prompt is a pain, and they don't even understand. So they type out something short and vague and they get a vague answer back. But with Whisper Flow, I just talk, I ramble, and I explain what I actually want the way I would want it to a friend. Open any AI chatbot and hold Control plus Window button together and then speak naturally. I need help writing warm, aspirational, concise skincare product descriptions that clearly communicates benefits and evokes desire while staying true to the brand voice. Now, select the sentence and then click Windows plus Alt plus 2 button together. If you see, within seconds, it has given us a detailed prompt that you can use. Now, all you need to do is fill in the details and edit if something is missing. Now, that precise prompt would have taken me at least 5 minutes to type properly. That took me 10 seconds to say and then another minute to edit it. And the output I get back? Night and day compared to what I used to get from short, rushed prompts. Now, talking about another example, let me show you how it works for writing a client email and polishing your sentence. Open your Gmail app and hold the Control plus Windows button together and then say naturally, Sarah, just wanted to check with you if you got time to look at the presentation sent last week and when can I get a reply? Now, select the entire sentence and press Windows plus Alt plus 1 button together. See how it cleans the output into a polished email? That email would have taken me at least 2 minutes to type and make sure it sounds formal. This took me 20 to 30 seconds to say. Now, talking about the third use case, you can literally ramble and Whisper Flow will correct your sentence. It figures out what you mean. Let's say I want to send a message to my friend on WhatsApp. Hold the Whisper Flow button and say, Hey, wanted to remind you that we have to go to that festival on 10th of July. Oh, no, actually, sorry, it's on 14th of July. And let's say we directly meet there at 6 p.m. No, wait, let's meet at 8 p.m. Notice how it understood the intent behind my words and transformed them into clear, readable content, even removing the filler words from the original speech. Let's take one more example. Say I'm cooking and I suddenly remember some things and I want to add them to my to-do list. All I need to do is open the Notes app on phone, hold Whisper Flow button, say out loud, like Pick up clothes from dry cleaning, take dentist appointment, research my next YouTube script. That's it, all captured in under 5 to 6 seconds. No fumbling with the keyboard, no autocorrect changing your words. You just said it and it's written down exactly the way you meant it. This is the use case I didn't expect to love as much as I would do. The little things, the fleeting thoughts, the I need to remember these moments, they used to disappear, now they don't. Oh, and did I tell you that Whisper Flow supports over 100 languages? To get started, simply open settings and select your preferred language. To be honest, day 1 feels slightly weird talking to your phone or laptop, but day 3, you won't even feel like going back. It also has a free tier with a weekly word limit, which I would recommend starting with to see if it fits your life before paying for anything. So, here's what actually changes when you start using this. The friction disappears. Before Whisperflow, I used to spend 3 hours a week on client emails alone. Now it's under 45 minutes. That's 2 plus hours every single week that I got back. And just from one button. It has genuinely changed how I work, and you can try the pro version free for a month using my link in the description below. No risk, just results. Now, before we wrap up, I want to ask you something. What's the one thing you're constantly having to type that you absolutely hate typing? For me, it's long client emails. Tell me yours in the comments below. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I post every week practical AI stuff that fits your actual life, not just at your work. See you in the next one.